Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. Angela here, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video, as I had mentioned on my previous video, I am going to use this painting to embellish it. And I am going to be using some stencils that I got online, Amazon. So I'm gonna use this stencil. This one here is for a seahorse. So I'm thinking of just painting a seahorse right in the middle and kind of embellishing the sides of the canvas. Very simple, very minimalistic. I'm not going to do a whole lot of elaboration, a whole lot of painting over. Just the focal point will be this seahorse, and I want to make it red, so I'm going to use my POSCA pen, which is a red POSCA pen, and just kind of trace it down using this red POSCA pen. And then after that, I will just go ahead and embellish it and put different colors on the body of the seahorse, and we will see, towards the end we'll see how it turns out. Again, I just wanted to put a nice design in the middle of the canvas, and that way it's just not just a plain pearl. I'm trying to incorporate my pearl technique, which I love, with different media. So going for like mixed media these days. So I am going to let you watch. But what I'm doing right now is just tracing the seahorse with a red pen. And once I do that, I will lift the stencil, and then I'll start working on the seahorse and on the canvas. So enjoy the music, enjoy the very relaxing, therapeutic process. Yes, I will touch bases with you towards the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy the process. Thank you for being here. And thank you for coming back, my YouTube subscribers. And also, as you guys can see on my channel, we have passed 500. We're almost 600 subscribers, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for returning and watching. We have good watch hours. Just working towards bringing new content and better content. So thanks again for being here. And again, as you guys can tell, I still have the cold. It's not as bad, but as you can tell from my voice, I am still not out of the woods yet. So yeah, so let me stop talking, and from here on, I am going to time lapse. That way it doesn't take too long. And again, I have a quick suggestion for you though. When I am time lapsing this and you want to see what I am doing, because time lapse really is fast. So if you want to kind of see what I am doing slowly, what you can do is you can change your setting for viewing. Instead of normal, you can change it to like 0.75 or 0.50 or 0.25. That way you can watch it slower when the speed, you can watch it in a slower speed. That's just my suggestion, because that's usually what I do with some videos that I really like to watch, but the YouTuber is doing a time lapse. So if I have a section that I like to see slowly, I just change my my playback settings to a little bit slower. So that would help. Thank you so much again. The only thing is the music will not sync very well, and since I'm not really talking, that is not going to affect the talking part. So that's just a little suggestion and a little trick and a hack that I've been using. The video is it's gonna be fine. It's just gonna play a little bit slower. That way you can kind of learn a little bit of, or you can see what you the section you want to see. All right, thanks guys so much. I appreciate your time.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family. And God bless. Bye.